The 2025 Mahindra Bolero continues its legacy as a rugged and dependable SUV, now refined with modern upgrades while maintaining its core appeal. Known for its durability and off-road strength, the new Bolero comes with subtle design changes that give it a fresher, more commanding road presence. The boxy shape remains intact, which is a signature of the Bolero, but enhancements like LED DRLS, a redesigned grille, and updated bumpers add to its visual appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolero is expected to retain its proven 1.5-liter diesel engine, offering a balance between power and fuel efficiency. The engine delivers enough torque to handle rough terrains, making it suitable not just for city driving but also for rural and semi-urban environments. The 5-speed manual transmission remains smooth and reliable, a characteristic long appreciated by Bolero users. Inside, the Bolero's cabin is functional and improved with modern features such as a semi-digital instrument cluster, updated infotainment system, and better seat cushioning. Though it doesn't compete with luxury SUVs in terms of interior styling, it offers practicality and comfort suited to its price range. Mahindra has also focused on improving ride quality and cabin insulation to reduce engine noise and vibrations. Safety-wise, it comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strong build structure that has made Bolero a trusted choice in tough conditions. What makes the Bolero stand out even more in 2025 is its low maintenance cost, wide service network, and strong resale value. The new black color variant gives the Bolero a bold and aggressive look, appealing to those who prefer a rugged yet stylish SUV. While it might lack some high-end features found in urban-focused rivals, the 2025 Bolero holds its ground as a utility vehicle that combines tradition, reliability, and basic modern comforts, making it a solid choice for those who prioritize performance and durability over luxury flair.